Nothing kills a cozy winter morning in Ontario faster than an ice-cold shower. A reliable water heater is a must, but like all appliances, it doesn't last forever. Knowing the warning signs can help you decide whether a quick repair will do the trick or it's time for a full replacement. Here's what to watch for and what to do about it. Fluctuating temperatures. Scalding 1 minute, freezing the next, likely a bad thermostat, heating element, or sediment buildup. A plumber can flush the tank or replace faulty parts. Rusty or discolored water. Brown or murky water often means corrosion inside the tank. Replacement is usually best. Strange noises. Banging, popping, or rumbling equals hardened sediment forcing your system to work harder. Get the tank flushed before it causes bigger damage. Leaks around the tank. A small puddle could be from loose connections or a bad valve, but if the tank itself is leaking, replacement is the safest move. Repair or replace. Not sure which way to go? Here's a quick guide. Age matters. Most water heaters last 8 to 12 years. If yours is older, replacement may save money long term. Repair costs. If fixing it costs more than half the price of a new unit, replacement is smarter. Efficiency. Newer models, especially tankless, use less energy, lowering your bills. Extent of the problem. Small fixes, like a thermostat, are usually worth repairing. Replacement options for Ontario homes. Traditional tank water heaters. Affordable, reliable, available in many sizes. The downside, higher energy use and bulky. Tankless water heaters. Heat water on demand, save energy, and last 20 plus years. Higher upfront costs, but long-term savings. Heat pump water heaters. Extremely efficient and eco-friendly, but need space and have higher initial price tags. Pro tip, maintenance saves headaches. Flush the tank once a year to prevent sediment buildup. Check the anode rod every few years to stop corrosion. Keep your water pressure in check to avoid leaks and strain. If you spot leaks, rust, or temperature swings, call a professional before a small issue turns into a cold shower disaster. And when it's time for replacement, Affordable Comfort can help you repair, replace, or maintain your system, keeping your home cozy even on Barrie's coldest days.